Hello, my everythings. Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, as you can see, I'm eating some Popeye'S. On the menu today is some popcorn shrimp, fries, mashed potatoes with my 2 pieces of spicy chicken legs. So we're gonna get into these to this meal in just a second. But if you are new, please go subscribe. I think there's a little red bell right here in the corner of the screen. If you could please click that before I get started and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you could be so kind to share and like this video. Thanks in advance. So basically, I'm just going to be eating, really no talking. Let's just see how that goes. So I have 2 biscuits as well with a strawberry cream. I guess it's called a strawberry cream filled pie. So I want to see how theirs is against the one from McDonald's, because that's the one I'm used to eating. But yep, and I got some sweet heat for my shrimp for dipping purposes. I'm usually not a person that will eat the chicken without a pepper, but bon appetit. These little bitty shrimp. That's why I ordered 2 pieces of chicken. And I have the new strawberry premium strawberry lemonade. Y'all want a bite? Get a bite. Get that bite. Well, y'all know me. This video is coming to an end. I'm sleepy. I hope everybody 4th of July was just as good as Juneteenth. They can have these fireworks. I ain't with it. But we had a nice time. Nice weekend. Rented a room downtown Chicago to see fireworks off of Lakeshore Drive, and had a couple of parties to go to. So my weekend was full. Hope y'all had a blessed weekend, a safe weekend. Today is Monday. Thank God I didn't have to work today. I think a lot of people was off today. So all I've been doing since I've been woke is laundry, cleaning, and a little run. As you can see, I made a little run to get some food. So basically that was it. But for the rest of this day, I'm going to relax and watch a movie and chill until I get hungry again. I might do an Italian beef and cheese fries. So that might come Wednesday if I do that, because I'm almost for certain that I'm going to just stop and grab some tacos when I get off work tomorrow, so that I can do a Taco Tuesday mukbang. So hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was a little boring. All I did was eat, but I was thinking that maybe people want to see me just eat instead of doing all that talking. I'm done eating, so that's why I'm talking a little bit. But if you guys can please thumbs up this video, share this video, comment, let me know what you think, and please don't forget to subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I know I've been on YouTube since like 2018, 2019. And I've been a little lazy because of my job, but, you know, I'm trying to be consistent more. As you can see, I've been putting out videos. I want to say back to back, but, you know, at least a week apart. So I'm trying to do better. So if you guys can help me out, watch my videos, get me the hours, get me to 1,000 subscribers, I would more than appreciate it. Until next time.